picked up.
That's not helpful, is it? Because now you're going to have to cut them clicks out. Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get the lip filler effect using just makeup. So no needles involved here, it's all makeup magic. So we're going to jump straight into that and yeah, I hope you enjoy. So the first thing that we're going to do is take a little bit of contour powder and we're just going to dust that underneath the main volume of the lip and then along the edges as well. So you can see what it's doing is creating a little bit of a shadowing effect. So the idea with that is that it will bring and emphasize bringing the lips forward. For our next step, we are selecting a lip liner that is going to be similar colour to our natural lip tone, and we start by drawing a straight line from the corner of our lips directly up into the centre. So we're not overlining out onto the edges, we're actually kind of going up in a straight line and then we're overlining just at the point where the main volume of the lip appears in the centre. When we reach that Cupid's bow area, we're not really trying to emphasize the V shape so much, we're almost cutting along the middle, so we're almost drawing straight along. And again, what this does is brings emphasis to the center of the lip to get that kind of dolly shape. We're doing the same thing on the bottom, so start on the inner corner and draw a straight line down, and then when we reach the center of the lip, we just start to overline right in the middle. Using this same lip pencil now, we're going to sketch and shade in from the edges, and again that is adding a contour effect to the outer corners of the lips, leaving the centre nice and light. So this is the same theory as when we contour with our face, where we're pushing back with the dark and bringing the light forward. So I've picked up a deeper lip liner now. This is a much deeper red colour, and I'm sketching right on the inside of the lip, on the top and bottom, and this is creating the sense that there is more depth at the back of the lip. So the lipstick we're using is a nude shade that is actually a little lighter than our natural lip colour, and again this is to emphasise the light in the centre. We're just pressing and placing that on. I'm lightly blending it in with that lip liner that we've got along the edges. So this next step's really important. So we've taken a small angle brush, so something with a nice flat edge, and I'm using my light concealer for this because it shows up better on camera. You could do this just with your normal foundation colour, that's absolutely fine. Now what we're trying to do here is we're just cutting in with that product just in the very inner corner, so we're almost snipping off the inner edge of the lip. And again, what this does is changes the shape of the lip to make it more rounded and appear more full in the centre. We're doing exactly the same on the top as well. So on the top of the lip, we're cutting just that inner corner and then we just push the product up along the edge. If you were using a very dark lip colour, so if you were doing like a really deep dramatic lip, you could take this all the way around the edges, this cutting effect. And again, just the front view so you can see what that looks like when we're looking straight on. So once we're happy that we've got that shape, what we're going to do is take our finger, and the warmth of our finger is just going to help us to blend and move the product out. It will help to push it and blend it with the foundation we've got underneath so we don't have a big harsh patch. You might find you don't need to do this too much if you're using your foundation colour as opposed to like a concealer colour. And then I've added some gloss to this look. You don't have to do that, you could keep this nice and matte, but I just wanted to really give it something extra. When you add gloss to the lips, they look a little bigger anyway because you get that light reflection bouncing backwards and forwards, but it's just personal preference. Be careful to tap the gloss down rather than rub it. You don't want to blend all your hard work together. And this is the finished effect. So that's all you have to do. It's quite a few steps obviously, but it definitely gives you the effect. It's using light and shade and dark, all the same things that we do when we try to create a contour really, but just focusing on our lips. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to make sure you do not miss any future videos. I will see you again soon, and thanks for watching.